Let's make a sheet pan pizza Romana. This recipe is easy to make and such a crowd pleaser. Whisk the yeast and water in a bowl, add olive oil and whisk again. Add flour and salt and use a spatula to mix until combined. Fold it over and press it down, scrape down the sides of the bowl, cover and rest for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, do 5 stretch and folds, wet your hand, reach round, grab some dough and fold it over, turning the bowl in between. Once you've done that, grab the dough, flip it over, grab it again and fold it over itself. Repeat this folding over motion about 10 to 12 times. Cover airtight and place in the fridge for anywhere between 6 to 24 hours. Once you're ready to make your pizza, take the dough out, flour the surface and the top of the dough. Turn the dough out, you might have to wiggle it a little bit. Flour your hand, fold up 1/3 of the dough and press it in gently. Then fold the other third over. Roll it up towards you, pressing in after each roll. Pull the last little bit up and flip the dough over. Tuck the sides in and drag the dough towards you to create a tight ball. Place on a really well floured surface, flour the top of the dough and cover with a tea towel for an hour. Once the dough is ready, it'll be bouncy like this. Move it to a heavily floured surface and heavily flour the top. Place your 2 hands like this and dimple the dough all the way down the bottom and then around the edges. Flip the dough over and do the same thing on the other side. Lift the dough gently over your arm and add to a baking dish lined with parchment paper and olive oil. Sliding your hands underneath the dough, gently start to stretch it out to cover the surface of the tray. Spread the pizza sauce over the top and bake for about 15 minutes. Add your other toppings and the cheese and then finish off back in the oven. All the cooking instructions and the full recipe are in the caption below. Enjoy!